Hello to all my friends out there. So I had to have hamburgers tonight to eat the leftover hamburger, but I wanted to make mention of something. If you don't have a burger maker, I just use my lid and I put some foil and I made the hamburgers that way. And so over here for my Campout, I put some barbecue sauce on the hamburgers to make it like I have some pork and beans with hot dogs, and this is a really good recipe. This is an oldie, and I've been gonna give you guys this. And so I use dry onion, and I use celery salt, and I use regular mustard. And let me give you the back. This is an old recipe. Everybody has their pork and bean recipe, but you know, this is good to make if you're going to a party and you have to bring something. And so then I had some frozen corn and some red zinger tea. And for that kind of tea, I have some, in my stockpile, I had 4 packages frozen fruit, 4 packages of corn, well, not corn, frozen vegetables, relish, I'll put relish, mustard, and then the big ketchup. And for my Campout, I bought donuts, and I have those right there. So each of these donuts was about $1.25. And so here is my first stockpile dinner that's like a Campout, and God bless you all.